That's so satisfying. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor Kids Crafters. I'm your host Ellen and this is the show where we make awesome crafts for kids. So today, I'm going to be showing you how I make my sensory glitter bottle. This is a great craft because not only is it fun to make and really fun to watch, but it also just feels really relaxing to watch the glitter go to the bottom. It helps me calm down a little bit. So that's why I love this one so much. So this is a pretty easy one. You just start off with an empty bottle and you grab some warm water. You can do this over the sink as well. And you're going to want to fill the bottle only about halfway. Next, you're going to get out some glitter glue. And I mean a lot of glitter glue. And squeeze it into the bottle. After that, put the cap on the bottle and shake it up to mix. Now open the bottle once again, and this time you're going to get some beads. Add as many beads as you would like to the bottle. Try not to drop them. Close your bag when you're done. And it's looking good so far. Now we're just going to add some more water and fill it up until about the top. Leave a little room though. Put the cap back on and shake it up one more time. You're going to notice a lot of bubbles at the top at first, and that's totally normal. But you can start to see all the glitter spiraling around in your bottle. I can't stop watching it. It's lovely. So that is all for today. Before you go, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome crafts. But until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.